6 things you never want to do to your washing machine. Washing machines have come a long way, technologically speaking, and the newest machines make our workload a lot easier, but washing machines still can't read a tag and choose the right settings without some help from us. To know how to wash your laundry properly, you'll need to know the manufacturer's instructions for that fabric type. Failing to read and follow the tag can cause colors to bleed, fabric to shrink, and damage your laundry. Learn the built-in settings on your washing machine and how to customize them for your clothing. It's true that much of our clothing can be washed on normal typesetting and come out perfect. If you are in the habit of washing all clothes on this same setting, learn to pull out clothes with special instructions that need to be washed alone or in small batches. You'll save your wardrobe and your washing machine a lot of trouble. If your clothes are really dirty, it stands to reason that you'll need extra laundry detergent. Wrong. It's better to wash a load twice in a row with a normal amount of detergent than load up on extra detergent. Many machines have a pre-wash setting that can be used as well. Many of our newer washing machines are designed to be energy and water efficient. Extra soap will not rinse away properly with the amount of water released. Instead, the water will remain in your clothing or wind up deposited on the interior of your washing machine, which can gunk up the components of the unit. We all get distracted by other tasks while doing the laundry, but leaving a load of clothes to mildew and smell in the washing machine is bad for you, your clothes and your machine. Set a timer or reminder on your phone so that clothes get switched out on a regular basis to prevent a smelly, damaged load. Forgetting to sort your laundry is one of the easiest ways to ruin a load or your machine. Unsorted laundry can cause colors to bleed, clothes to shrink, and unwanted pocket items are floating around during the washing cycle. Sorting will let you find that black permanent marker in a pocket before the lid comes off and marks up the whole load, including the washing machine drum and front window. Check every front, back and inside pocket. If your machine sounds a little unbalanced, you can fix it before the problem gets worse. Adjusting the machine on the bottom corners takes a few minutes and makes a big difference. An unbalanced load makes the washing machine work a lot harder than it should have to, which can ultimately lead to wear and tear on the unit and its parts. You could end up with costly repairs later for something that only takes a little effort to fix right now. Refer to your manufacturer's website or the manual that came with your machine for guidance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.